Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new Python course. In this lecture, we are going to talk about a very simple but very useful feature in Python, comments. Let me tell you what comments are and why we use them. Comments are lines in your code that Python completely ignores. Yes, Python skips them while running the program. So why do we need comments? Number one, comments help us explain the code. When someone else reads your code later, or even when you come back to your code after a few days, comments will remind you what the code is doing. Number two, comments make the code more readable. It's like leaving notes in your notebook. You can mark what each section is doing. And number three, comments can be used to disable lines of code during testing. If you want to stop one line from running, just comment it out. Let's now learn how to write a comment. In Python, a single line comment starts with a hash symbol. Anything written after that symbol will be ignored by Python. You can place the comment on a line by itself or even at the end of a line of code. We can also add multi-line comments. Alright, that's the theory. Now let's switch to PyCharm and see this in action. Go to our Python project and create a new Python and call it as comments demo. Hit enter. We start by typing our very first comment. Let's type hash. This is a comment. This line will not be executed. Python will simply skip it. Now let's add some code below it. Let's call print function and pass the string hello world. When we run this program, it will only print hello world. The comment above will be ignored. Let's run it and check the output. Great. The output shows only hello world. Now let's try placing the comment at the end of a line. So here, let's type print within a double quotes, pass string hello again followed by a comment hash. This is an inline comment. Perfect. This still works fine. Everything after the hash is ignored. Let's run it. We get hello again. So yes, comments can also sit at the end of a line of code. Now let's try something different. Using a comment to prevent code from running. Let's say we have this line print within a double quotes, pass string. This will not run. Now let's comment out this code by adding hash at the beginning. Let's run the program and you can see the output. Nothing. Because this line starts with hash, it will be skipped by Python. Now let's talk about multi-line comments. Python doesn't really have a special syntax for multi-line comments like some other languages. But we can still write multiple lines by putting a hash on each line. Let's type hash. This is a comment hash written in hash more than just one line. Let's call print function and pass the string hello world. When we run this, Python only prints hello world and all three lines above were skipped. There's one more trick to write multi-line comments using triple quotes. We type this is a comment written in more than just one line. Print hello world. Since these triple quoted strings are not assigned to any variable, Python just ignores them. Let's run the program. And the output is still hello world. Great. We've now seen both ways to write multi-line comments. Let's quickly recap. In Python, comments start with a hash. They are useful for explaining your code, making it readable and disabling lines when testing. You can write them on their own line at the end of a line or use them to block out code. Python also allows you to fake multi-line comments using triple quotes, as long as the string is not stored in a variable. In the next lecture, we'll move on to something exciting, Python variables, and how to use them in real programs. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.